so the day before the event. But on the way to the bank right now to actually pull out some cash so I can get into the event, because I also forgot to pay for the pre-registration, which was only about like $100-something, and then to pay at the event it was $125, so I need like $20 or $25. So that's fine. Maybe they'll let me slide in, please. That's cool. But anyways, yeah, I'm just on the way to the bank, and then I'm gonna go to the shop, get loaded up, make sure we have everything before we do take off, and then on the way to Stockton from there. Let's do it. For real. Oh, that's like a... That's why it was making noise. I didn't even notice that. Hey, got the goodies. Say hi, Henry. Hey. Let's get out of here. Got the Mickey D's plug. We have to start off. We got the car and the trailer. Gonna be heading out to Stockton now. Got some food. All loaded up and all fueled up. Also, California gas prices are not it anymore. Take it slow, take it slow, take it. Drop it to 45 if you have to. Who cares?
Oh! Oh! I swear so much. Oh. Okay, this is annoying, dude. How many did it?
Oh my god, another one. This one's even. Oh, snap.
So that was close. Okay, I got it this time. Oh, I got 2 birthday left. I hope someone measured these out. Like,
No, I don't even think they did.
Oh my god, I gotta take a shit now. We're not over yet. Though.
Where are we? In Merced?
Merced.
Oh my god. Okay, this one isn't as bad. But
That's fucking close, bro.
we still got more to go. It's still going.
I should stay on the right side.
day, I learned that I'm not really good at drifting on 19-inch rims, so swapped to 18 350Z stock rims, and it's so much better. Ended up ripping my exhaust off while loading it back onto the trailer. And then on my last session, we blew up the tire. Oh, wow. Oh, shoot. Yeah, that one was blown up. So, anywho, we're slowly packing up and getting everything back together. I'm gonna be loading up the truck and then getting back to town. But other than that, for the first event, it was very fun.